Hello besties, I'm Janvi. Welcome to my channel Janvi R.B. So basically this is my first video on YouTube and I'm really excited to talk about my channel. My channel is all about lifestyle, makeup, skincare, vlog, workout routines and whatever you guys ask me to make videos on. This is a small introduction of myself and the channel. I don't want to make it too lengthy क्योंकि सब कुछ इसी वीडियो में बोल दूंगी तो you won't watch the other videos. Oh my god! Wow. Also bear my Hindi. I know it's not good. Whatever. But yeah, just
one eternity later.
Also, yeah, I'll be posting twice a week. That is on Sunday and on Wednesday around 6:30 to 7 p.m. IST. I'll be talking about my fit in all my videos, and I know it's not necessary, but people who want to see can see it. People who want to skip it can skip it. The fit I'm wearing today is this t-shirt from Only, and it says you can't trip with us.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो ना?
Jeans are from Levi's, I suppose. Yeah. And the what are this called? Slides. Okay. These slides are from Max. Oh god. I dropped my mic. बस यही सब बोलते हैं ना इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो में और कुछ तो नहीं. Yeah.
I don't know.
I guess I'm gonna end my video here because this is what have to be said in an introduction video and I don't want to do like इसमें नहीं डालना है. Thanks for watching. No, wait. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you guys stay updated with my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and lots of love.